Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card to the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your credit card to the Instacart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then on this page here, click on settings on the top hand side. Next, click on debit, credit, PayPal, and more underneath payment methods. Then click on add debit or credit card. So this is where you can scan your card or enter your card number, CVC, expiration date, address, and then click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card to the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.